I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy Hollandaise sauce for eggs Benedict. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg yolks, half a cup of unsalted butter, which should be melted and kept warm. Also, have 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice ready. Finally, a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper will add that perfect flavor. This method simplifies a classic, ensuring a smooth, creamy sauce every time. Now let's set up our double boiler. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together your 3 egg yolks and the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Place this bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, ensuring the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water. Whisk continuously and vigorously. You'll see the mixture start to thicken and lighten in color, becoming frothy and airy. This gentle cooking is key to a perfect Hollandaise. This is where the magic happens. Once your egg mixture is thickened, slowly, very slowly, drizzle in the warm, melted butter. It's crucial to whisk constantly and vigorously as you add the butter. This creates a beautiful emulsion, transforming your sauce into a thick, creamy, and glossy Hollandaise. After all the butter is incorporated, stir in your pinch of salt and dash of cayenne pepper. Taste and adjust as needed for that perfect balance. Your delicious, easy Hollandaise sauce is now ready to be served. Drizzle it generously over your perfectly poached eggs Benedict for a truly gourmet breakfast or brunch. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. When reheating, do so very gently over low heat, whisking constantly to bring it back to its creamy consistency. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.